What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a thumbnail using Canva. So it's easy and efficient. Canva YouTube thumbnail, here it comes. And click free and customize YouTube thumbnail templates. That link. There are two options, like you can select one of the pre-made thumbnail presets and all. There are many presets down here. Or you can go create a design using a blank. Click here, create blank. So there you go. Now I'm going to click here and there we go. Related, each and every related things show up here, like it starts using how to. So as this is not a pro version, we must go with only free options. I will be going with this. So now I'm going to edit my preset. And I just like to okay. Now this is my finished thumbnail. Oh, wait a minute, I'm just going to add some little bit of touch. These now you can upload files. Select any file that you need from here. Uh, so I have uploaded my logo. I'm going to edit right here. From here, like click share, then go to download, then click download. Then there we go, it's downloading, and there we go, it's downloaded. So this is the finished product of my thumbnail that I have created for this specific video, and I am going to upload this thumbnail to this video. So it's very easy to create a thumbnail using Canva. Just few clicks and here we go. We have created a brand new thumbnail for our channel, for our video. So that's it guys. Make sure you like and see you guys from another video.